Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Blockquote block in WordPress Nexter. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nexter's blocks one by one. Let's get started by making a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. Before we continue any further, let's take care of some housekeeping items. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that, and this sidebar will appear. All of the settings to toggle and configure will show up there. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. In the block inserter over here in the top left corner, we can either search for it or just look down over here next to our blocks. And you can see that all of the Nexter block icons are purple. Now either drag and drop block quote or just click on it, and you can see that our block here is called Blockquote, and there's a little description over here. And if you wanted to, there are two different styles that it comes with. There's simple with a line, and there's modern, right? And modern gives you a few different options, such as the author and alignment and stuff like that. So you can see here, author, we can manually input this, right? But also we can take this from a dynamic value. So we can either take it from date or time, author, comment number, if you wanted to make it a bit interesting, right? And here for the quote content, we can also take this from our posts or our comments. Let's say if it were a review page, and we can change the alignment over here, as you can see, and we'll just keep it on. We'll keep it on right, and we can add. We can change the icon over here, right? So if we don't want it to be a quote per se, but if you want to be creative and use it for something else, you could do that. And let's choose this megaphone one. And over here, we just have some help resources and additional CSS classes. And to change the style, over here, we can find that we can select the font family. We can change the global typography from one of the settings over here. For the author typography, we can change it. We can change the font size to be bigger, right? Arial over here. The text color, we can set it to default as black. The author color, we can change it to a different one. Quote color, I believe this one is the icon. We can change it to a different color over here. So let's deselect that. And you can see. And we can also change the icon size from here. We can change the offset as well. And then we can put it up and down. We also change the padding and margins over here. We can also set up the background over here. Now either a gradient or an image or just a solid color. We can make this a bit darker or a bit lighter. You can also add a shadow. And our advanced settings here, additional CSS classes, and advanced settings the same as basically any other Nexter block, such as global styles, hard spacing options, background border, scroll animations, extra settings over here, tooltips, display rules, hard position settings such as z-index, very important, and our responsive settings for desktop, tablet, and or mobile. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this looks like on our live site. Okay, here we are, and here is our Blockquote block from WordPress Nexter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.